Yeah, this song goes out to my homies and you. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, what would I go on with this misery? Had this hard time for the past days. I'm living hard with a pain. I'm hopeless, less than a penny. I got no place to place my heart just for the sake of this happiness. And with my emotion, no ways of living. But I choose to the road, no ticket. Like the wheel strolling with no destiny. I keep so moving with this downwards of living. I pretend not to feel the pain, pretend I know myself. Didn't know writing this song. Don't try to get rid of whole her beats. It die hard, half of it still with me. When will I be that best start? Who's really gonna be his start, boy? If I could, I would put it up in rewind to the town where it was just me and you. Oh, we were inseparable. If I could, I would put it up in rewind to the time before they went away. Wish I could go back to yesterday. If I could, I would put it up in rewind. I try to stick it to the river that I'm used to, but these days got me searching for an inner tube. I lost myself when I think about my baby girl. If I could take yesterday and place it in my palms, I anticipate the day like a school prom. Promise tomorrow what you think. Pull up the good times, pull up the good times. Everything be forever when I put it down. So we know that's the truth, nah, baby.
Mi ko in mi pa ve no lo, a hin ken pa mi tin